at the Termini residence here to help us repair a well line. The water line has a leak in it, and today we're going to do a special operation. Actually, I'm not doing it, I'm just a homeowner, but the professionals are going to do it. I think it's Moxley Plumbing. They have a technique where they will actually take the pipe from inside, they'll attach a cable, and they'll pull a new pipe through the old pipe. Actually, what it does is it cuts the pipe and brings a brand new pipe with the wire to the well. It's going to prevent us from cutting up a lot of concrete, which we don't really want to do. And it's going to save us a lot of time and money doing it this way. At any rate, we'll be back in touch with you later and show you some more. Bye. Huh? 20 feet. Great. Oh. There it is. There's the new hose.
Cut some of that old pipe off.
Well, he knew about it. That's amazing.
Alright, the pole.
Plumbing with Patrick Murphy. Jesse. works. They saved us a lot of trouble. The pipe, everything went in, the line went in beautifully. New wire, new electric wire, new well pipe. The job is done and everything works, and we could not be happier.